And we now move to the final presentation, and it's named AntFlow by Madhya Digital Private Limited.
Iborn, and thank you ICTA. I'll just quickly go through 6 slides of our presentation. It's named AntFlow. As you can see on the screen, right now we are at the smart society. This is also Ant society, and it's very inspiring for many of you. You would have seen ants in action. Ants work collectively, ants work as a team, and there's a lot to learn from ants. Ant society, actually, they have division of labor, they communicate, and they solve complex problems. Today we are here, I'm not an ant specialist, but I just want to tell you one thing. For every one of you here, there's 1.5 million ants around. So that makes a huge force of teamwork that we can study on. And I'm not here to discuss about ants, but about a similar system that can harness productivity, which can benefit e-governance and e-administration. And let me present you, before presenting, I just want to talk about e-governance, administration. For those of you who are working in the public sector, you would agree with me that you are overloaded with work, right? Overloaded with incoming mails, emails, etc., meetings, and also public inquiries, public demands, which is ever increasing, and it's so complex day by day, and piles of documents that keeps on adding up. And these transform into responsibilities, requirements, and work, and finally analysis. Just imagine if you can gather all this, and simplify the processes, and create just one platform, and that is AntFlow, like as other workflow. So AntFlow actually, you can manage mail, you can manage meetings, you can manage public inquiries. So all this you can transform into measurable, positive business results. Let me just go through a few of the basic modules of AntFlow, because we have a very limited time here. AntFlow, when you deploy in a system, now so far we have deployed at CEDA and at Pensions Department, you can actually map your organization structure. So it can be a flat structure, hierarchy, can be flexible. You can work for one department, but you can also work for a different team, for example, a procurement team. And it's very easy. You can have multiple teams. So all you do is you log on to the system, maybe on your mobile device or on a public computer if you don't have a computer, or on your PC, and then you will see at a glance a snapshot of the work that you have to do, the work that is for you, and your meetings, mail, everything in just one single snapshot. So you don't have to rely on personal organizers, diaries, etc. Then the second one is to create and delegate work, which is the fundamental element of the system. You can, team leaders can give work to their staff, and once the staff they complete, they can check in, check out through the system. So you know exactly what has been done, what has to happen. And then the other 3 functions, which is mailroom management, gives a system for the mailroom to process batch, collect the mail, process it to the relevant department. Then you can manage meeting, you can have discussion topics, and notify your staff. And also the public service module, which is like a mini CRM. So you can manage all your inquiries or complaints, etc. And so the last 3 actually goes straight away into the work module, which is transferred by the team leaders. So what can AntFlow actually do for your team? This is what is necessary. It can do a lot, but in a simple sense, you have a snapshot of your team performance at a glance, right? You can stay in with deadlines. You won't lose out on things. You won't miss out. And actually, since we are working in a system, you can measure each activity from a designated time, quality, and quantity. So you won't lose out. You can actually align your resources towards your specific objectives. And last of all, it's not just a simply software, it's a platform to learn, share, and adapt, right? The advantages of Anflow, simply said, Anflow is not just a software, it's actually an interactive gallery. It's an interactive gallery that can empower productivity. It's totally customizable. Now, for example, we deploy the system at the pension department. Their administrator, they themselves, they customize it. They hardly come back to us on what they need to do. It's mobile ready. It has a very responsive user interface, which you can log in from your mobile device or tab. And best of all, it has no licensing requirement. It's based on an open platform. So in a nutshell, Anflow is about productivity, it's about collaboration, it's about empowering your workforce to do their best. So that's it. Thank you very much.